Hello everyone, my name is Manjesh Kumar AP. I have secured All India rank 800 in the Civil Services Examination 2019, all thanks to Himalaya Institute and Keshav sir. I come from a family of public servants. My father was a railway employee and my mother is a doctor working for the government of Karnataka. And then my brother Manoj Kumar, who also happens to be a student of Keshav sir, he works in CISF right now as an assistant commandant. So the spirit of public service was always in my family. But however, though I wanted to be a public servant, I could not find the right avenues to begin my preparation. So that is when my brother Manoj Kumar, he introduced me to Himalaya Institute. And from the moment I began my journey with Himalaya Institute, I could feel a difference. A difference that I could get a lot of motivation, a difference that I have a true teacher behind me who will always support me, and also that competitive feeling which you get when you see a lot of serious candidates around you. That sort of an atmosphere I received in Himalaya Institute. When I began my preparation, it was never conventional because Keshav sir has so much experience about doing the normal things in an innovative way. So for every step of my preparation, he made sure that I am doing it very innovatively so that I set myself apart from other candidates. So right from the beginning, he started to add difference in my preparation. When it came to prelims, he first of all introduced me to a lot of sources, limited sources, but a lot of sources. But then he constantly followed up with the targets of within what time I complete my preparation and how do I go about the revision. And after going about the revision, he immediately started to give me questions to solve. So right from the beginning, I started to feel the competition. So this competition further gave me the boost. Now the prelims was done and the result was as expected. The next came mains, which was a very important stage. And once again, Keshav sir brought in his experience, which mattered to me a lot. He made sure that I am very well versed with the basics, which is by far the most important requirement when it comes to getting high marks in mains. He made sure that I get my basics right. And he also followed up this with regular answer writing practice in the institute. This answer writing practice was also once again a bit unconventional because it not just involved manual writing of answers, but it was also followed up with oral question and answers. At first, I was a bit confused as to how oral question and answers would help me. But then as the journey went on, I realized that oral question and answers, which Keshav sir exclusively did for all of us, it mattered a lot since it tried to give clarity in our minds first. So I always want to say, or else I'm reminded of the experience that when you have clarity in mind, that is when your pen becomes mightier. So this sort of a very innovative thing which Keshav sir did on a regular basis, he used to even call up at night and he used to follow up with oral question and answers, and sometimes it was syllabus wise, and once we completed the syllabus, he started to ask random questions. Now what this gave me was clarity on the topics. The next, the ability to face random questions. So these are the skills that Keshav sir imparted to me within a very short period of time, which I couldn't have done by myself. So what Keshav sir gave me mattered a lot in scoring high marks in the mains. This was a very innovative thing that I could ask from anyone. And once the main was done, then it was the stage of interview. I was really having a doubt whether I am capable of being a civil servant. I really had a stage when I couldn't just find the motivation. Okay, the answer writing part is done, the prelims is done, the tests are done. Now I'll face some of the most eminent personalities in front of me who will judge me, whether if I can be a good public servant or not. So that self-doubt was one of the major barrier when it came to interview preparation. But what Keshav sir did was, he made me to teach to a lot of students, to a lot of beginners. So when I started to teach, it gave me a whole new experience. It started to give me that confidence, yes, that I am capable. I can be a teacher, so why cannot I be a civil servant? So this idea of putting me into teaching mattered a lot. And along with this self-confidence, I also got the skill of communicating with the students. So my communication skills started to improve. And that is when my self-doubt was starting to be replaced by self-confidence. This process was parallelly accompanied by mock interviews. Keshav sir conducted around 100 mock interviews, telephonic and also in person. And I'm sure no institute will offer this kind of a support. So this process of putting me into teaching, interaction with fellow toppers, and regular mock interviews gave me the right amount of confidence to go and face the interview with utmost confidence. And I am reminded of an event wherein during the day of interview, Keshav sir came all the way to Delhi and he took me in an auto to Rashtrapati Bhavan just an hour before the interview, and he made me salute the Rashtrapati Bhavan. It was not just a simple act of a salutation, but rather I was actually saluting my whole process of entering into the civil service. So this really gave me the most important boost at the final stages, and with utmost confidence I attended interview, and the moment I came after the interview, I was sure that I will get a rank this time, and it happened. So I want to highlight a very important aspect of my preparation was a mentor, a teacher, a friend, and a support system. Everything which was given by Himalay and Keshav sir. So my success is their hard work. Thank you.